Today in this video I will show you how you can earn $50 to $100 every hour. One thing to always keep in mind is to never invest your hard-earned money in any mining platform. Definitely check and invest. Because there are scams everywhere, many people will skip this video and see where the link of this site or software is given. Request to all of you, please keep watching the video carefully without skipping, only then you will understand a lot. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. In this channel I discuss or make videos about altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, computer hardware and computer networking. Asakari subscribes and stays with you. Because you never know when any of your videos will work. The software generates millions of random seed phrases, then it extracts addresses from them and checks the balance. This algorithm is repeated millions of times. All results are saved in the software folder. Results with balance are saved in a separate file. The speed of operation depends directly on the power of your PC. For correct operation, Windows 7, 8.1, 10, 11 are recommended. This is all you need to know about HCC work. Smiley face. Good luck!
Hi, my name is Max. Let me show you how I
Earn $50 to $100 per hour.
To do this, I use P2P transactions, which gives from 4 to 6% for each round. So that you understand how it works, I will do 2 rounds and get about 6% profit. You will find all the links in the description below this video. First, we need to pay our wallet with some money. You can deposit your account in any convenient way in the appropriate section, by bank card, cryptocurrency, or by other electronic payment systems. Now go to the trade section and exchange dollars to the Tron cryptocurrency. To do this, select dollars in the right corner. Then we go down the list and look for the TRX to the dollar pair. Click on it. We make an exchange. In the Give field, enter the amount that we want to exchange for the Tron cryptocurrency. I will exchange $200. Click Buy. The order was successfully created. Go to the Balance tab and to see the Tron coins are already in our account. Now we go to the exchanger. You will find a link to this crypto exchanger in the description below this video. In the Give field, select the Tron cryptocurrency. In the Get field, select Pair dollars. Next, enter the amount that we want to exchange. Specify the number of your payer wallet and email address. Click Make Exchange. Pay for the created order. To do this, copy the address of the TRX wallet and go to Payer, the Transfer section. Choose System Tron and paste the copied wallet into the address field. Go back to the exchanger and copy the amount. Insert it into the appropriate field. The transfer fee will be only 2 Tron coins. Click the Transfer button. The transaction was successfully completed. We can find it in the History section. The transaction is being processed in the Tron network. We return to the exchanger and click the I Paid button. Now the site will check the transfer of funds to the specified details. It usually takes a few minutes. After the coins are received in the account of the exchanger, the site will make a transfer to the details specified by us. The order has been successfully processed. Let's go back to Payer, the History section, and refresh the page. A transfer in the amount of $207 was received. $7 of them is a profit from one exchange. We will make a second round. Go to the trade section and exchange dollars for Tron according to the same scheme. But this time, I will increase the amount to $600. The order was successfully created. There are 8,566 Tron coins on our balance. We return to the crypto exchanger and create a new order. Fill out the form. Specify the wallet number and make an exchange. The transaction was successfully completed. The coins were transferred to the account of the exchanger. Now it will make a transfer to our payment details. The order has been successfully processed. Let's go back to Payer, the History section. A transfer of $637 was received. As you see, for 2 rounds, get to earn $50. There is also an affiliate program in this crypto exchanger. You can receive 0.5% of each exchange made via an affiliate link, as I do. This is a very simple and profitable way for earning money. You can start earning money right now. See you!